Instruction prompting reduces token consumption by providing written instructions instead of exemplars, making it efficient for large language models with limited context windows. Instruction tuning enhances LLM's ability to follow instructions, improving their alignment with human goals, seen in applications like ChatGPD and Coding Assistant. Pre-trained LLMs are not good at following instructions out of the box. However, teaching these models how to follow instructions makes them a lot better at accomplishing what the user wants. The first step in creating an LLM is pre-training. However, the model's output is not always interesting and we need to go beyond basic pre-training. There are a couple of different approaches for teaching an LLM how to follow instruction. For example, we can perform instruction tuning or fine tune the mod LLM over examples of dialogues that include instructions. Several notable models adopt this approach, such as Llama and its variants, all the FLAN models, OptIML, and more. Alternatively, you could use a three-step approach comprised of supervised fine tuning and reinforcement learning from human feedback, all of which we are going to cover in separate videos. If you have access to an LLM that has been trained to follow instructions, we can accomplish a lot by prompting the model with useful and informative instructions. Here are some key tips and ideas for using instruction prompting. Just like the rest of the prompt, the instruction should be specific and detailed. We should avoid telling the LLM to not do something in the prompt, rather, we should focus on telling the LLM what to do. Using an input structure with indicators that clearly identify the instruction within the prompt is always helpful. Another interesting prompting technique that is tangentially related to instruction prompting is role prompting, which assigns a role or persona to the model. This role is assigned within the prompt via textual snippets such as you are a famous and brilliant mathematician, you're a doctor, or you're an expert lawyer. Providing a role to LLM can actually improve performance. When assigning a role to the AI, we are giving it some context. This context helps the AI understand the question better. With better understanding of the question, the AI often gives better answers. Prompting LLMs with instructions is an incredibly powerful tool that we can use for a variety of applications.